Okay, university. What a great opportunity. As you go, don't forget your identity. Following the crowd, that's conformity. Some only went to see, ended up a casualty. Wrong place, wrong time, fatality. You will meet different people, you will meet a variety. University is a place of diversity. But don't change personality. You're a child of God, that's your nationality. Keep growing spirituality. Don't sell yourself because of popularity. Be a person of dignity. Be honest. Be a person of integrity. You can't be bought or sold. You're not a cheap commodity. Grab this mentality. Stay alert and focused. That's sensitivity. Others may say, lose it, lose it. You don't have to lose your virginity. You're the light of your city. You're the light of your city. Switch on, be the light, be the light. Be the light of your city. Sex, drugs, alcohol, etc. You'll have many opportunities. But you are not like that. First Peter 2:9, that's your identity. Honestly, you may face adversity. Honestly, you may face scarcity. But this phase is temporary. No need to beg your future's prosperity. What a great opportunity and a great responsibility. I pray that you come out bigger and better, not in shame and pity. I say with sincerity, hold on to God daily as your necessity. He will lead, guide, and protect you from now till eternity. University. God bless you all, university students. I wish you all the best. See you at the top, and God bless. Bye for now.